Hi kindergartners, this is Mrs. Francis. Today we're going to be doing some math from Unit 1 book. And then if you open it up, you're going to go all the way to page 17. I already ripped mine out. So you're going to do page 17. You're doing the front and the back. Then you're also going to rip out page 19 and 20, the front and the back. So 2 pages today, we're going to be doing that. Parents, we're also going to need to use our cubes. So if you could go and get the cubes for them. We're gonna need to have either 3, a red, a yellow, and a blue colored pencil or a crayon, something like that. Also, some scissors and glue as well as a normal pencil. So lots of supplies today. Sorry about that, parents. But once you get settled, go ahead and pause me. And then once you get settled with all those supplies handy, we'll go ahead and get started, okay? All right. So today we're going to be talking about same and different. Now there's lots of things in our life that are the same and different. Like my brother has brown eyes and I have blue eyes, but we have the same color hair. We both have brown hair, okay? So that's how we're the same and different. How are you the same and different from someone in your family? Maybe you do have the same color eyes and the same color hair, but maybe you like different things. Like maybe your mom likes basketball and you like baseball, or maybe your mom likes a certain TV show and you like a different one, okay? And then you could talk about how you're the same. So maybe you and your mom both like to snuggle, and that is something that is the same, okay? So maybe just take a minute and talk about with your parents about in your life what's the same and different. You can pause me and then unpause me. All right, well, come on back to this. We're going to be talking about how math is the same and different. Just like our life is the same and different, so is math, okay? So we have circles here, and we have a red circle right here for number 1. So the very first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to put, it says, look at the shape on the left, okay? So this is our right, and this is our left, okay? All right, if you think about it, though, how you know it's left is an L, uppercase L kind of looks like that, right? Okay, so if you put your fingers like this, well, that one doesn't look like it's an uppercase L, it's backwards. So this is your right because it doesn't look like an L. If you do it like this, uppercase L, oh, that does look like that. So this must be your left. So this is the left, okay? So it says, look at the shape on the left. Put one block that is the same color and another block that is a different color than the other shapes. Okay, so it says, look at the shape on the left. So that's this one. Put one block that is the same color. We have to find our red block, okay? That is the same color, and another block that is a different color in the other shape, okay? So it just says different color. It doesn't say it has to match. If you want to match, you could do the blue. I'll do matching, but you could do a different one if you want, because it just says different color, okay? In the other shape. All right, and it says color the shapes on the page to match the blocks. Okay, well, I'm gonna color. So it already kind of started coloring it, so you can finish it. Now here's a good little tip on coloring. When I color, I trace the outside like that, and then I kind of fill it in. And that automatically kind of gives you like a point where you're not supposed to go across. It's my little tip with coloring. So I trace the outside as best I can, make it dark. That might be harder for you, but that's okay, we'll work on it. And then I just color in lightly. And that's how I get it to look a little nicer. It also kind of tells me where to stop. All right, so let's go on to number 2. It says here, we're supposed to put, it says put one block that is the same color. There's that one, so that one. So this one's gonna be blue. And then I get to choose another block that's a different color and put it on here. So I'm gonna choose yellow, okay? And then you're gonna color the shapes that color. So again, the way I like to color is I kind of trace the outside, and then I kind of just lightly color in. And if I go a little bit on the outside, see that one I went a little bit, that's okay. It just looks a little nicer, okay? So that one's blue. I'm gonna color that one yellow. Again, I trace the outside, kind of lightly color it in. Okay. Do those look the same? Yeah, they're the same color, huh? All right, we're gonna keep on doing this, but this time we need to match the color, the same color, okay, as this one. So this one is yellow, so I'm gonna put that one here, okay? And then I'm gonna choose a different color. I'm gonna choose red. I'm gonna put that one here. And I'm gonna color those two boxes that color, okay? You take your time. Again, what I do is I kind of trace the outside, make that dark, and then it also gives me a stopping point, and then I lightly color that in. Okay, that one's yellow. What color is this, guys? Oh no, it broke. Good thing I have another one. Hopefully you guys have a sharpener at home you can use too. So that one went a little bit outside. See, nobody's perfect. It's okay. Still looks a little nicer if you trace the outside a little darker. I press down a little harder when I go on the outside too, okay? All right, we're gonna do the same thing here. Go to number 4. Again, you can pause me if I'm going too fast, if they need more time, and then restart me whenever you're ready, okay? So we're gonna go number 4, this little flower. Well, this is a rectangle. What color is this rectangle? That's right, it's red. So we're gonna match our red, put that one on the left. You get to choose another color and color that one, okay? I'll choose yellow. So now I'm gonna color this rectangle red and this rectangle yellow. Let's go ahead and do that. Oops, that was my broken one. There we go. All right, good job. We finished page 17, guys. We're now gonna move on to the back of this page, which is page 18, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and start with number 5, that little Christmas tree up at the top. All right, so the directions say, circle the block that is the same shape as the one on the left. So this is the one on the left right here, okay? And we're gonna circle the block that is the same shape. Well, what shape is this? That's right, it's a rectangle, so we need to find the rectangle, okay? But it also says in the directions to cross off the one that is not the correct shape. This one you're gonna use your pencil for. We're just gonna trace over. See how I'm tracing over this rectangle because it is the same shape, not the same color, but the same shape. So now we're gonna look at shapes, not colors. Then I'm gonna cross off the one that is a different shape, okay? Let's go to number 6. We're gonna circle the one that is a, what is that called? Circle. We're gonna circle the one that is a circle. That's weird. All right, it's a lot of circles. All right, so which one do I circle? This one. I'm gonna circle the circle and cross off the square because this one is the same and these two are different. Good. Let's move on to number 7. What is this shape called? A triangle. Good. We're gonna find the same shape as the triangle. Well, that's not a triangle. That, okay. We're gonna circle the triangle because that one is the same. And we're gonna cross off the rectangle because these two are different. You got it. All right. So here we're gonna go to number 8. Okay. What shape is this, everyone? This is a square. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna find the shape that is also a square. Which one is it, guys? This one. Good job. We're gonna circle the square. And then we're gonna cross off that circle, okay? Because these shapes are the same and these two are different. Good job. Same and different, guys. You just learned it. Great job. So proud of you. We're going to go ahead and move on to page 19. For page 19, you're going to have to cut out these pages, and you might as well at the same time just flip it over and cut out these at the same time. Parents, I would keep them in 2 separate piles so that the kids don't get confused. It's your choice whether you cut them out at the same time or you cut them out at different times, okay? So we're going to just cut these out. Flip the it over and cut that one out. So yellow and green kind of stay together and blue and red stay together, okay? All right, so I'm gonna do yellow and green because this yellow and green goes with page 20. So I'm gonna kind of just put it to the side over here. And I'm gonna put the red and the blue in front of me. That's what I'm gonna work with right now, okay? And it's okay if your page looks cut up like that. All right, so here are our shapes here that we're working with. All right, and the directions say, well, first of all, what do you see? I see a red and a blue backpack. Is that what you see? All right, well, you're gonna cut out the pictures, which we did, and we're gonna sort them by color. And then we're gonna glue each picture onto the backpack that has the same color. Okay, so let's sort them. What does that mean? Well, sorting means to sort them by color. That means you put them together with the same color. So I'm gonna red and blue. And this one is also, oops, can't see that. Red and blue. Which one does this go with? Red. So this means that we're gonna put these two in the red backpack and this one in the blue, okay? So then you're gonna take your glue, glue it down. There you go. Voila, you're done with this page. Moving on to this one. Now this one has similar directions, okay? We get our yellow and our green little pieces. All right, it says cut out the picture, sort by color, then glue the picture onto the suitcase. Well, I see a yellow and a green suitcase. So I'm gonna put these inside of the yellow one. And what color is this, guys? That's green. I'm gonna put that in the green suitcase. How about this one? Oh, that's yellow too. I'm gonna put that in the yellow suitcase. And then you're gonna glue them together. Well, good job, guys. You just sorted out your colors, okay? And sorted out your little things that you're gonna bring on your trip. You're gonna bring some slippers. You're gonna bring some socks. Of course, you need to bring a toothbrush. All right, make sure you're prepared for your trip, right? Okay, guys, you are ready. You are done with math today, and I cannot wait to see you on Monday. Bye, guys.